Hello, friends. This is episode 3 of the live market review. And today is Tuesday, that is 11th of February. So, as usual, before we continue, we like to review the trade. Then, after reviewing the trade on my MT5, then we now go to the trading view to explain to you what I was looking for and when I was trading taking the trades. And I think you really find it helpful, in navigating through your trading journey. So let's get into it. So this is the trade, and those are the screenshots. And you might be wondering, why did I buy this, and I was in drawdown? Because I know today it will be a heavy day. So just pardon me because I know what I'm doing. Um, I will explain to you why I did that. It's not random. So the first entry here was this short position. So I will explain to you on the charts why I took a short position from here. But at the end of the day, I ended up closing the trade because the movement, I didn't like the movement. So, and yeah, this is 2 minutes on that trade. And I took the buy after this sell off, after this huge sell off. So I took the first limit was here, then stop loss was here. So those lines we are seeing now, they are not just random lines. Look at it. I told you before, they are not random lines. And look at this. Then I end up having my buy limit is triggered here, was triggered. Then I added another position. Then because I was away, I was going out. Then just add another two position. Then you know, because I know the highest this market can go is this place. That's the highest it can go. But I just know, but it can weak through it. But I know this. You see this where I place this buy limit. That's the highest it can go. But it can weak through it, but there will be no body closure below this where I place this buy position here. So, but I just know, because I just know. There's no two ways about it. And okay, look at it here. On the 1 minute, this is what I was watching. One price was traded down. I was watching this. You see this specific candle here on the 1 minute? This bearish candle here. That's what I was watching. So once you have this guy traded above it, yeah, that is when I know that okay, this we are going to what reverse. And there's another thing I saw that made me enter this buy position. So but I will explain to you later. And this is the trade I keep adding position. And look at the trade here. So it was here that I know that okay, immediately this guy has formed and is traded into, it's just the same concept again. I know that okay, we are ready to go up. So this is 2 minute charts. So after, look at it. So after all the struggle here, look at this. Very perfect. Like the precision is very perfect. Look at it. I think I ended up adding another buy here. It was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, five positions. So I added another point here. After price hitting this, see this line here? Let's check it. This is 1 minute chart. You see this line here? After market hit it again, I enter another buy position. And my stop loss in this case was here. So there's nothing much about it. And look at the trade. So the target was here. But when price is coming up, I took some partials. And I think I moved my stop to break. Yeah. So I moved my stop to break even after taking some partials. I moved my stop to break even. Yeah, look at it. If you see this was 2 2 before, it was 5 knots, 5 point something. Like, look at it here. They are 5 5. Most of them are 5 some lots. So, but here I ended up taking partials, then I move my stop toward break even. So, but what ended up happen was very, very what's amazing. But oh yeah, look at it here. This is the trade here. Those lines I told you, they are not just random lines. They're not just random lines. So this is what Monday price action. When I see this, I told you I'm trading what, candle by candlestick. When I saw this on Monday, my attention was extremely what, at this what inversion favor lookup. That the price, that is where price will reverse from. I just know, but because of what this Monday candle has done, so I was expecting this buy side liquidity to get taken. Maybe these highs, and we have another high here, and we have another high here. So those are the two buy side liquidity I was watching, hoping that okay, price will what take, but where can it what traded into? This is only place that they can go. This is the only place. So I think I was on my, yeah, 4 hour time. Let's check 4 hour time frame. Yesterday I just talked about these lines that was here. I think it was, yeah, 4 hour time frame. I talked about these two lines here that I don't want to see a body closure above it. If you watch episode 2, you see how I highlighted this on Nasdaq. I don't want to see a body closure. That price should touch it and immediately what traded back. Look at what happened at the end of the day. Because yesterday, I think there was a very high impact news. I think President Trump's speaks. I don't know. I can't remember. So, but look at what ended up happening. So, price crashes, price down overnight. So, and what I was looking for after this, because yesterday close, because of that candle that close, I don't need this, or just leave it. Because really, I don't need this thing again. Those two lines, I don't need it for today transaction. I don't need it again. So those are my just buy side liquidity here. So don't just convince it with any other line. Buy side liquidity, buy side liquidity. Those are the two levels I'm watching. Then on the 5 minute, there is something very specific. Uh, there's something very specific that I just want you guys to know. Maybe you might not get it, but when this what 9:30 what open close like this, what I was monitoring is I was monitoring this guy here. I think there is a level I was monitoring. Yeah. So I was monitoring those two areas. So this is the daily inversion favor lookup. Look at this beautiful reaction from it. So once I have this, because I missed this entry. Once I have this, so I was watching this guy here. Once there is what anybody closure here in this is what an indication for me that price, this low will remain intact. This low for today, this low here will remain intact. This low here will remain intact. Once I have a body closure here, like all those 1, 2, 3, 15 minute candle, I just know that this low no trade below it today. It will not be traded below today. So maybe tomorrow, but today this low will remain intact. I just know. So that is why you see me like if you see the entry, I was stacking because I just know that this is the low today. Price will not trade below it. It cannot do that. So, but there are circumstances, especially those this issue of President Trump speaks. I don't know why the guy is speaking always. Yesterday he speaks, then even today again. I don't understand why. But nonetheless, let's just go because this is my indication of price. Look at it here. Once we have these three consecutive candles like this, it is telling me something that this low will not be traded below today. So why did I enter here? I saw my very simple model. The very simple model I saw. So the first selling position I took was somewhere around here. So once price was trading below this, then once price traded below this, see this line, this candle, this candle that is going up. Look at this candle. This candle that is going up, as it's going up like this is where I entered. Let me show you. It's very simple approach. Look at it. This 2 minutes. This is what 1 minute. Look at it. When this what candle law closes like this next candle that is trading up here. Look at it here. That is where I entered. Let me show you clearly. This is 1 minute time frame. When this candle lot close like this, and the next one that open, when it's trading up, that is where I entered. But my stop loss is here because I was kind of busy today. I don't want to have a tight stop loss. I just put it there. Then I know for sure here there may be what a reaction from it, so I just keep it in mind. Then the market continue in my favor, like it keep what crashing down, but I don't like the movement here. Look at it. It's just like a similar cases like what yesterday, a very high resistance liquidity run. Look at it. This kind of price action, I don't like it on Nasdaq. I don't really like it. So I ended up losing the trade. I collapsed it, though I was looking for what buys. So I collapsed this trade. And later in the day, look at it. Price continued to what crash down, crash down. Look at it. Then when price is crashing down, I was monitoring each candle. I was monitoring each candle. So when it's crashing down, I was monitoring each candle. I was on my chart monitoring each candle, each candle. So here, when you traded here, if you go to the left, I don't even care about the left because I was monitoring each candle. I just know this low here will remain intact for today. So I just know like that. But and this is what already what at what if from this high to this low, this is already at what discount level. So I can buy from here. So I was on this 1 minute time frame and 2 minutes on my MT5 mobile app. So what am I watching? I was watching with individual chart like this, individual candle like this. You see this candle here? You see this candle here? Once it is what traded what close below, above, sorry. So that is what why I know that okay, price we are ready to go what higher. So this could be my what entry. I was hoping for what a very deep what retracement into something here, or even traded lower in above below this what doji candle here. That is what I was expecting, but I didn't see it. So price continue going higher, higher, higher. Then on my 5 minute time frame, on my 5 minute time frame, is this 5 minutes? No, yeah, 5 minute time frame. Oh, it's 2 minutes, it's not 5 minutes. Yeah, 2 minutes. Let me show you something very specific here. Okay, let's use the 3 minute time frame. I'll show you because look at this. We have this favor look up here. But how did I know that this is the highest? Like it can't go beyond this point. Well, how did I know? There are two areas here now. Let's measure this guy here. I can measure this candle. That's the first one here. On my 2 minute it was perfect. 2 minute time frame was perfect. That's the first one. And let me also show you something. Yeah, 2 minutes was perfect. I don't know for this. Why? I can't go on 2 minute time frame. Let me just show you here. I think I can show you. So this is 2 minute chart. Look at it here. I just know. Look at it. Look at this region here. Where they buy the first buy here. Look at it. That is the place that I must monitor. Price should not trade below it. Should not. Yeah, you can trade below, but should not have what the body closure below it. So that's what I was looking. That's what I was looking. And on the 1 minute time frame, I think we have something like this. If I measure it from here, I just use the 1 minute. So I will show you something very specific here. Very specific. You see this? You see this line? I'll do another line so that we see another one. You see this? This is the highest it can go. I don't want to see a body closure below it. So I have reasons for me to enter my before I enter trade. I have reasons. Then and I just want to see everything lining up. See this can that is how it can go. Let me show you another one here. It might be this might be 2 minute time, 1 minute time, but everything I'm looking for, they are just inside it. They're just inside it. You see this line? I don't want to see anybody closure below. I don't want to see it. Should I tell you? Let's explain this chart. Because there is no body closure here. Look at it. But this is the highest point you can go. So here we have a body closure below this line. What happened the next time? Yeah, let's say here we have a body closure. It traded back again. Then another one. It trading back, it traded back. Then another crash to the downside. Then we immediately will trade up again. Look at what it's doing. Then we have another one crash to the downside. Immediately when it hit this what line here, it's what reverse. It's very like the approach is very what unique and it's very simple. So it what reverse. What this we are seeing here now, they are just what manipulation. Let me just classify it as manipulation. So, but once I see this candle traded into this, yeah, I was because I end up adding position as it is going, but all my stop loss were here. So after that, when I came into the charts and I opened my phone, I was seeing that okay, this is where we are. So my attention was on this candle. See this candle? See this? This is the brain behind it. That is the secret I'm telling you now. This is the brain. This candle you're seeing, that is the brain behind it. The algorithm knows that okay, once this candle is being traded above, there's no coming back again. But it can come back, but there's no, like, it will not close what below it. It can weak like this. There will be, it can weak to the downside. I even hit this fair value gap, but there will be nobody closure below it. So once I see this is where I now want to add another position at this one fair value gap, at this fair value gap. So I added another buy position there, and price went with me all the way to the what's upside. They say this, I think this was, yeah, my stop loss was here, and I think this position was just 1 to 3. Yeah, it's one to 4. Yeah, I took the partials at 1 to 4. Then what happened? All my position, I think they are just one to, this one hits 1 to 3 at here. Then I end up taking partials and move my stop to break even here. So what happened? So price what catches to the what downside. All my target was here, and another target was here, and price what ended up reversing on me. But that doesn't stop me because all this price action you are seeing now is a result of what this this is why I hit this guy President Trump speaks. The price action, whenever he speaks, the price action is always distorted. Like yesterday he spoke, then it was like a hell yesterday. So price was not respecting the level it's supposed to respect at a specific time. So even today, I don't know why I'm speaking like this, but even today, look at it here. This guy is speaking always. Stop. Um, that is it for this market review on Nasdaq. That is all. But I know that many might not understand this, but I'm just showing you the concept here. But I'm doing a series. I'll compile everything and be showing you step by step approach on how I use this or why I know that okay, this this low for today will be what entered. I just know this low because of these 3 consecutive candles. 1, 2, 3. I just know this low will be what entered for today. So this is why I was looking forward. I wanted to short from here into this fair value gap, but the momentum, like the momentum was not, it's not friendly. So I end up, losing the position and wait for this one set up to what align. So and I ended up having, as this is moving, I ended up stacking position because at times like this, if not that this guy is speaking, and that is President Trump. So at times like this, when you have this, you have a little what retracement and price continue to go higher until we take this high. 80% of the time, that's what it does. So this is why I was stacking because I know already this low will be what entered for today. I just know it will be what entered for today. There's no reason for price to what reverse here and come because there's no time already. Look at it, there's no time. That is 1 p.m. There's no time again, so it needs to go up. So, but this guy, distorted everything. So, but it is what it is. Price was played exactly how we projected it. So let's call it. We wait for what another market review, maybe on Thursday or even tomorrow. Or you can have another one. Whenever I place any trade, I will let you know, and we do a review on it. Then maybe next month we'll have our series. That is, I call it A to Z strategy, my A to Z strategy. But that is where I will be showing you step by step how to read each candle step by step. So there's nothing hard on it. So if I want to read it, look at this candle now. Once this candle is being traded below, I just know price will continue going down towards any more discount array. Look at another one now. Once this candle is being traded above, I just know price is going up. Any discount array. In this case, I can have this fair value gap here. So I just know like that. So same thing toward any higher time frame candle. It's just the same concept. So there's nothing really big on it, and so it's what it is. Then tomorrow we see, boss. There's no reason for price to what close at this, low. So the nearest what one liquidity is this and is this high here, another one here, and you have the overall buy side what liquidity. So, and you see have much which is here for my buy side. This is what I'm looking. But the closure of today's candle will determine the next direction against tomorrow. And mind you, you have what another what high impact news tomorrow. If you look at our economic calendar, each that you have what CPI, and at 10 a.m. we have this Fed chairman testifies. So it will be really, I don't know, but tomorrow we tell. So let's call it a day. Thanks.